What up, YouTube? Major League Mac back on deck with another one, man. I told y'all I wasn't gonna do no more intros. That's probably my last one, man. But it's Mother's Day. I'm here at home, about to celebrate the day, man, with the wife and the kids. But I got a special delivery today, man. So check it out, man. Amazon came through on Mother's Day and delivered this thing here. I don't want to get my address all on there, man. So let me turn that to the side real quick, man. But we about to see what I got here. I told y'all that I was gonna start doing my paint thing. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Sprayway Customs, man. I'm gonna be reaching out to you real soon, homie. Give me some tips. This is the first box. I got one more coming. I got my suits, head to toe. What's this right here? Got my respirators. Yep, 3M, size large. Got my gloves. I got some masking. I ended up having some that my homie gave me. But here goes some masking, 3 different sizes. Oh, and I got the stand coming. This thing open. I'm gonna have to open that up, man, to see what's to that. I'm gonna say the best for last. I ended up getting a couple of these. These the water oil separators, man, that go on the other side of the what you call them, the air pressure regulators for the gun. But you gotta have them. I ended up finding out that there's some better ones out there. These are cheaper version. They're actually not much more more expensive than these, but I got these though nonetheless. There should be a couple of them in here, and voila! Thanks to my guy. Well, the last video I made. I told y'all that I had got the guns and I got a lot of my material from Harbor Freight, but I ended up going on checking out Sprayway, and I ended up checking out my boy the Underground Paint King on YouTube, and ended up going with these, man. These the low volume, low pressure spray guns, because I do have a smaller air compressor. We'll be getting a larger one. But, you know, I'm starting out, man, so I don't want to spend unnecessary money. But I got these. I ended up getting this one, the A610 joint. I heard that they're phenomenal. I see quite a few guys online on YouTube messing with them, so I got those. And well, this is supposed to be the upgraded version. This is the... Well, this says 608. This was supposed to be the 500. So, I don't know what I'm going to do about that one, man. I'm going to have to check this thing out. Maybe they don't make the 500 anymore. So, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that. I don't know. That's not what I ordered. It's by the same company. Since it's the 608, it may be better. But I wanted that 500. The 500 was the old school version. I know that the 610 was an upgraded version of it. This may be an upgraded version, but I still wanted that old school version, that original version, because that's the one that I've seen the guys shooting with on there, man. So I'm gonna check this thing out. I know that the nozzles are interchangeable. On this, I think the nozzles were supposed to be interchangeable on the 500 version. So I'm gonna have to check this thing out, man. I don't know. This thing may have to end up going back. Well, no, this one has a single nozzle on there, the standard 1.3. This one was supposed to be that 1.3. I don't know if they're interchangeable or not. Matter of fact, let's get these things open. Let's get them open real quick to see what all comes in it. Let's see. I'm working with one hand right now, so y'all gotta work with me. Oh, that's the cleaning kit. Let me get that, baby. In fact, I'm gonna have, what you doing right now? You wanna help me out? That's the actual gun. I'll film you. Take that out of the plastic for me. Yeah, look at that thing. That's the filter right there. That thing looks good, man. Let me get a close-up on that. And this is the 610. You can put that back in the plastic. I don't don't know what that is. Open that up for me, please. Here's the cup here. I ain't gonna take that out. Y'all know what the cup look like. What's in there? There's the rest. There should be a regulator in here somewhere. Yeah, oh no. That's one of the nozzles. That's the needle. You can put that back in there. Oh, here's the regulator right here. I ain't gotta take that out either. Man, I'm kind of open this one up. What's that one? There should be another one with a needle. Oh, that's another needle. Was it another one just like that one in there? What was this one again? Or is that the same one? But that's the same as that. Mm-hmm. So maybe that's a different one. Yeah, let me see. It should have a label on it. I wanted that 500 because they were interchangeable. Okay, so this one's 1.7. Let's see what this. Open that one back up for me, please, brother. Matter of fact, that's what it is. They do have the interchangeable. So take that gun back out of that plastic for me too, please. I know I'm working on Mother's Day. Say hi to my beautiful wife. Let me see. Turn it towards me. That's a 1.3. So this one should say 1.4 or 1.5. So they are interchangeable. As long as they're interchangeable, you good. And I'm not even gonna open this one up. Well, maybe I should. I'll open it up. Just open that one up for me, please. So I can check that nozzle on there. Yep, let me see. 1.5. So that 610 does come with 3 different nozzles. So that's almost like 3 different guns in one, you can say. This is the 608. I didn't even know this one existed. I didn't see any reviews on it. I see here go the filters for the paint. They give you a few of those. I like that. That other one didn't come with that. It also comes with an air pressure regulator. I like that. Another cleaning kit and tools. A cup. And the gun. I bet this one didn't come with no extra nozzles though. But as long as that other one did, that's all good. So I'll probably run it clear at 1.5, 1.7. And that's it in there. What nozzle is that on there? 1.3? I can't tell. Yep, 1.3. So yeah, man, I like them. They lightweight. I don't know what the adapter is, but man, I like it, man. I like them. I like them a lot. I've seen that a lot of the guys gotta mark them to adjust the fan. Like there's no notch on them to adjust the fan or to adjust well, I guess you have that right there, a little indication for the fan, and this one up here for the fluid. But well, y'all see it, man. I got a couple more big boxes coming. I already had a couple came. I got my stands. I still need to get some sandpaper, just some light stuff, man. But within about another week, really this week, I'll be ready to shoot. I spoke to a professional paint guy here in town. He told me don't spend the money on a paint booth yet. He taught me how to make a makeshift paint booth. Y'all already know where I'm working at as far as the garage. I'm gonna get that garage together, get it all set up, man. Get the box fans in there, get the filters in there, get it all cleaned. It already been cleaned out, man. I'll be ready to shoot in a week. Like I say, I got a 95 Chevy Caprice. I done already broke it down. I got the doors off of it. I got the hood, the trunk. I gotta take the fenders off of it. I gotta get the bumpers off of it. Now I'm gonna get them things prepped, sanded, clean, primer, man, and sealed too. I've been told not to skip that part, man. Don't skip any part of the paint process if you want a nice finish. I ain't half-stepping with this thing, man. I done spent this money on this stuff. So I'm gonna definitely try to master this craft here and definitely try to get my money back with my initial investment. Hey man, get my name out here, man. We're gonna see what it is, man. But shout out to all the paint guys that's been, you know what I'm saying, that done inbox me, that done commented on these videos and that's trying to help me along this journey, man. I truly appreciate you guys. Let me give you an update as far as the yellow Cutlass. It's in paint right now. It's been raining like crazy lately, so they got all the body work done, but they haven't been able to shoot it like that, man. It's not supposed to, it's raining here today. It's not supposed to rain tomorrow. They're going to take a break in between the rain days. So Tuesday, they should be back at it. And I should probably have that thing Wednesday, Thursday. I'm trying to get a cloth top put on it, man, for the Rick Ross show. What else going on? My buddy having a hell of a time with Cartel Bow. I hope he sell it. If he sell it back to me, I'm definitely going to buy it back. And then we're going to put a big block in that thing. So, man, we shall see. Y'all know what it is, man. I appreciate y'all, man. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for supporting me, man, here on my channel. I know I've been kicking the videos out, kicking the content out slow lately. That's because the Cutlass has been on hold due to the weather. And I got some other things that, you know what I'm saying, going on right now, man. But once again, I appreciate all my supporters, man. Y'all comment, y'all like, y'all subscribe. I told y'all, man, 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna give away $1,000. So, you know, your input, your comments, man, your presence gonna mean it's gonna make a difference on who's able to get this money, man, when that time comes. I ain't in no rush, man. It ain't no race. It's a marathon. I'm taking my time with it, building my channel, building my brand, and that's what it is, man. Y'all know what it is. T-Mac, hustle or be broke. Let up.